Okay, now, Tauruses. Anong highlight ng Tauruses this 2025? Saan kailan mag-focus ang mga Taurus? Anong kailangan i-heal? Anong dapat? Anong expectation this 2025? Spirits. Ay, nalaglag. Nako, nag-stumble and fall kayo, Tauruses. Is it because of the stubbornness? Kasi pagkahulog ng card, pagkaalis sa deck, gumanyan, tapos nagtumbling, tapos bumaliktad, tapos natumba. So, may pagka-fall. So, pwede tong sa love. Ang lumabas ay justice card. So, ang justice nyo is pagyewang-gewang. Feeling nyo, hindi nyo nakukuha ang justice nyo. Kaya, 8 of Swords kayo, you feel isolated. Yung fairness, truth, clarity, balance, cause and effect, medyo parang feeling nyo may injustice. So, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng negative thoughts, self-imposed restriction, imprisonment, victim mentality, restriction, feeling isolated. In what aspect is this? Although, take what resonates, kayo lang nakakaalam ng pinagdaanan ninyo. Sa wish fulfillment ito, 9 of Cups. Parang feeling nyo siguro, nagwi-wish kayo pero hindi nagkakatotoo, parang walang justice. Kaya imbis na maging content kayo sa stability, either emotional or financial, or satisfied kayo, gusto nyo magbigay ng gratitude sa universe, pero feeling nyo parang may hinuhold back sa inyo. I just wanna assure you guys that there is a wheel of fortune. Mag-change ito ngayong year 2025. So, magkakaroon ng good luck. Kung bad kayo noon, bad luck. Syempre, what we put out, we get back. That's the law of karma. Ganun talaga. Okay? So, or, meron kayong kinuklose na karmic cycle sa past life, or sa lineage ninyo kung kayo ang curse breaker. So, depende ito kung ano man. Kung naging mabuti kayo, mabuti ang babalik. Kung naging bad kayo, it's payback time. So, take only what resonates. I'm not hurting you guys. Hurting talaga. Hindi ko kayo tinatakot, ha? Kasi kayo nakakaalam anong inambag nyo sa mundo at sa kapwa ninyo. So, destiny, turning point, change, inevitable fate, ups and downs, unpredictability, but just be ready, okay? Can you give us a hint on what is this about? Universe, spirit guides. Baka may specific kayong gusto ibigay. Parang ayaw ibigay, baka surprise ito Kasi may wish fulfillment dito Etong death ng card, okay, hindi to literal death, but it could be depending on what you did. Syempre pag bad, kung alam nyo na yun, ayoko nang sabihin kasi baka maban tayo. Basta, pwede tong transformation kasi ang death. Okay? Death of your ego. Okay? Kung kaya kayo isolated kasi nag-hold back kayo. So, mag-end na yon for your rebirth. The new you, okay? Kung dati, stingy kayo, ngayon, ibabalance nyo na. Hindi pwedeng kapit kayo sa pera. Kung naman sobrang giving kayo, you need balance. Ngayon naman, magkikip na kayo for yourself. Basta anything na yung old self nyo, mamamatay na yon at marirenew. New era nyo na, okay? 2 of Pentacles dito, balance, juggling. So, binabalance yung win-away nyo yung options nyo. You have to decide. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng time management. Kasi may multiple priorities kayo. Okay. You are being advised to be in the hermit mode. Soul searching, introspection, contemplation, wisdom, truth seeking, independence, being alone. Kung kayo ang breadwinner, kailangan nyong spread out yung responsibility. Meditation consciousness, okay? I hope this helps, Tauruses.